In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Now tap on All Services to scroll again and tap on AutoFill with Google here. Tap on Google Password Manager and select any of your added passwords you wish to delete from your manager. Click on one of them, enter your screen lock, select the Delete button, and last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!